with that I be nigga finish NBA and shit. No, I ain't never gonna say shit.
New contract being like I play ball, little boy, ain't nothing to play with.
I told her pull up, she told me she can't hunt, we gonna be sharing location. I was riding in the ghost with a ghost gun. Seen you out with your kids, so you old one. Had my man in the can while you taking out the trash. You gon' pop with the mat like don't run.
Gave her a pill, they all get high. You ever had a foursome? It's too much cash for me to hide. I had to get a little bro some. Gon' fuck around from time to time. I don't show no emotion.
But when he died, he had them racks. He had to make a go for him. I hang with the hitters who train the killers who send all those to get in the slow run. I got me a check and I brought me a cat and I went on the block and they donuts. I hang with all the murderers. I'm paying all the lawyers for the murderer. I'm putting all my lust on the murderer. You don't wanna see me with the murderer. Yeah, Rolls Royce swerving, famous shit curving. Seen you out in traffic, you was looking nervous.
Ran it up on niggas saying they thought it was on purpose. I know for a fact I'm blasting mine, I never get too worried. 100 racks and 100 still like cursive, I been selling verses.
One time I lied inside my song, I ain't gon' buy no Birkin. Homicide on my mind when I slide, I ain't tryna see no hearse. He ain't even died by the gun, took a fake pill, you knew that on perks. Sure look perfect. We so perfect, go get us some perks. My diamond be here like we anniversary. We sticking together the curse. We go with that girl. I just like the jeweler with baby with 2 anniversary. Go to Atlanta, the cop and call me. Bad little blows, blow me way too ranked up, ain't no supposed. She wanna go to the mall. Got up and went to the pop up in Louis and saw it and ordered it all. I'm in with the voice in the hair. These niggas just weddles ain't going this hard. I'm from the P, that's gang. All he need on me, I hang with.
Running on diesel, dawg. Playing with my name, this lethal, dawg. Who you see? What? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dawg. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dawg. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dawg. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dawg. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't go playing ball, but I'll show you how to gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night but did it all day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hard way. But got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you loving magic, not it's all shade. Still going bad on you anyway.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back, it's getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bins all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa. Rich and Millie cuss a Lambo. Known to keep the better on commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been had my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living that.